Hi guys, this is a video. This video will show you how to claim your Rebus airdrop. And so just watch and see how I go about it. Make sure you have metamask extension on your mobile. If it's mobile, you use mobile, but make sure you are using a desktop version. And if it's desktop, make sure you have your metamask extension, because currently Kepler is not really going through. It will be showing you are not eligible. Meanwhile, you are. So what you need to do right now is have a metamask wallet. So let me show you one thing I need to do before you start anything. You need to add Rebus to your network on Evmos. Make sure you go to the wallet where you have Evmos. You need to go to the wallet where you have Evmos. Still coming up. So now I need to, you can see this is where my Evmos is. Evmos chain. So I will go to metamask settings, add network. I'm adding new network now. Then the RPC is this. I'll drop everything for you in the video description section. So now the chain ID is 1 in 4 places. The network name is Rebus network. You can still put Rebus network if you want. Chain explorer is not compulsory, you can just ignore. Just click on add. Let's add it. Click on add. So you can see I'm on Rebus now. You can see I have 80 Rebus. So that's what I need to connect to now. Earlier I was making mistake. I was connecting to Evmos, so it was not connect. It was not going through. I was getting some error. So now I need to sign out. When I sign out, this is how you go about connecting. When you're connecting, click on connect wallet. Click on metamask. Make sure you have that same wallet imported on your metamask extension. So let me check if I'm on the network on this metamask extension. If it's still on Evmos, then I won't be able to still claim. So I need to be sure I'm on the right network. So here, let me check. This is the account. Sorry, I need to add the network on the extension. I was adding on the app, don't mind me. Silly head like me. Rebus URL, RPC URL, this is it. Don't worry, I will drop everything for you. Currency symbol is Rebus. Save. So this is the network I need to connect to. As you can see, if you check, you will notice I have let me show you the airdrop. I have 320, but the claim is only 80. So I need to do all these tasks you're seeing here for me to qualify for everything. So now I've only been qualified for this 80 because I staked Evmos before the snapshot date. That's why you're seeing 80. So now the next step to do the next mission is to stake. You can see they say stake Rebus. So I'll click on stake. So I'll now click on stake tokens. Under that 80 you can see it, and choose validator. Let me look for friends because I'm choosing validators I'm very much familiar with. Friends, this is friends. I can just take the 80 of friends and stake. And sign. Then now I'll sign the transaction. So as you can see, I have staked successfully. Then I'll say done. So now you can see available tokens is 79.99. So now I need the next step. So here I've staked Rebus. It should show me that I've completed the second part because I've staked it. It's still showing not complete. Let me check again. Let me click on stake once again. Okay, the available token is still showing this. I think the first thing I did was just to sign the transaction. What I will do is I will take 75 in case of gas fees. Always remember that. 75. So the first one was just to approve the stake. So I think this second one now is where we'll now sign it. Sign it 75. Okay, 75 rewards has been staked. So you can see immediately I staked, reward has started counting already. Earlier when they launched, I think they launched at 200,000 APR, but currently the APR has dropped drastically. So you can see I've completed the second one. So now since I've completed the second one, the next thing I need to do is the third one, to vote. So let me click on vote. Proposal status passed, this and that. Voting period is 15th. So it's like this voting has actually closed. It has closed. So we don't know if they will come up with another vote. So what we need to do now, I think I'm coming. Let me check if there is any other way we can go about the voting. I just made an inquiry now, and I was told that a new vote will come up. This one has currently expired. So once the new one come up, the next thing you guys just need to do is just go on to this vote. Once you go to vote, click on all votes. You will see new one will pop up below this one. So once you see that one, just click on the new votes. After that, then you go back to airdrop to check the next thing to do, mint NFT and use Rebus votes. Once you do those things, they will release all for you. You can see the rest are even still showing coming soon. So that means they are not even ready yet. So just do all the tasks and you'll get back all the airdrop they said you'll be getting. So thank you very much for viewing. Don't forget to click on this subscribe button, and also don't forget to like and share the video. Once it's up, I will try my best to do video on the rest as well, in case you have difficulties with them. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Just watch out for the next video. Don't forget to turn on notification so that you can receive the video alerts.